Hey everyone, in this video we're going to fix the common problem where USB tethering doesn't work and the phone only charges. Let's get started. If you've tried plugging your phone into a computer and it just charges instead of sharing data, it usually comes down to a hidden setting called developer options. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. Open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on About Phone. Here, look for build number or OS version. Tap on it repeatedly until you see the message that you are now a developer. If it says you're already a developer, you can move to the next step. Now, go back to the main settings menu and scroll down to find additional settings. Inside, you'll see developer options. Tap on it and make sure the toggle at the top is turned on. Inside developer options, scroll down until you find the section for default USB configuration. By default, this is often set to no data transfer, which is why the phone only charges. Change it to either USB tethering if you want to share your connection, or file transfer if you want to move files between your phone and computer. While you're in developer options, also look for the setting called tethering hardware acceleration. Turn that on. It helps stabilize the connection when tethering. After making the changes, you can go back to the top of developer options and toggle it off again. Don't worry, your USB configuration will stay saved, and turning developer options off just hides the advanced settings. Now, unplug your phone and reconnect it. This time, your computer should detect it correctly for tethering or file transfer. If it still doesn't, restart both your phone and computer, then try again. And that's it. That's how you fix USB tethering not working when your phone only charges. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials. See you next time.